And the Al-Hidaayah platform has got 3 levels. The basic level, which is the 240p. This basic of 240p is free for everyone. If you want the higher version, that is the 540p, or the premium version, which is the high definition, or 2K or 4K, then there is a subscription fee for that. But for the entry level, for 240p, it's free for everyone. So Al-Hidaayah platform is a good platform for you to have all the videos of mine, whether lecture, debate, TV talks, and it's very well classified. When in YouTube it's difficult, you go on my YouTube channel, you can see the videos, but it's difficult to classify. On this, it's classified, whether it's a debate, whether it's a lecture, whether it's a question and session, whether it's a topic on science, whether it's on Tawheed, it's classified, and searching is very easy. So hundreds of my lectures are there, thousands of my hours of video are there in this.